Have you heard about the ICBC Part 7 insurance benefit? My name's Kristina. I'm one of the resource coordinators at the Personal Injury Resource Center, sponsored by Battista. I'm here today with Scott Stanley, one of the partners, and we're going to discuss the ICBC Part 7 benefit and how it can help you. First off, what is ICBC Part 7?
So an ICBC Part 7 benefit, it's a benefit that's paid to someone who's been involved in an accident. Either they can be in a car or a passenger, and these are no-fault benefits, and they're paid to people whether they're at fault for the accident or not.
Okay, and what kind of benefits can one expect from the ICBC?
There's basically three categories of benefits. There's wage replacement benefits, or what we call TTDs, and they pay up to $300 a week. Even if you have your own private insurance, they will top up to $300 a week. And then there's benefits that ICBC must pay for, things like physiotherapy, chiropractic, massage therapy. And then there's what's called discretionary benefits, where ICBC can use their discretion to provide benefits that will assist in the rehab and well-being of the person that's been injured.
Okay, cool. Now, I understand that there's some benefits that might be a little bit unique that some people might not know about, something like a vehicle. Is a vehicle covered?
Yeah, in some instances, ICBC can use their discretion to buy a vehicle and also adapt the vehicle so the person can drive.
Let's say you're a pedestrian,
Right.
and you're hit by a car and you don't have ICBC insurance yourself. Are you still able to access these benefits?
You would still be able to access them provided the vehicle that hit you is insured with ICBC. Most vehicles are. And in fact, if the vehicle was insured by someone from out of province, you would also have insurance benefits, but it would be that private insurance company that would pay those benefits to you as opposed to ICBC. So yes.
So yes, awesome. I find this interesting because this means basically anyone will have access to these benefits, whether it be like a broken arm or something extreme like a broken neck.
Pretty much everybody starts off with having benefits. There's some things you can do to disentitle yourself, but that's actually quite complex. But most people will have access to these benefits.
One thing I want to ask is, how does a tort claim, for example, if you are suing for damages, how does that interact with an ICBC benefit?
Okay. So when someone's injured, they usually have two claims. They have a claim for accident benefits, this no-fault claim, and they get those whether they're responsible for the accident or not. And then they can also sue the responsible driver. And anything that is payable by the responsible driver is reduced by the amount of Part 7 benefits that ICBC pays or any other insurance company. So that's how the two interact.
Okay, so basically you get the benefits up front, but when you get the payout from the claim later?
That's a good way of looking at it. The Part 7 benefits are sort of pay as you go, whereas anything that's not covered by those Part 7 benefits, you get paid at the end of the claim. So that's actually a really good way of looking at it. Pay as you go for Part 7, but you have to wait for the rest of the claim for the tort.
So what's one essential thing that you think people should know about Part 7?
The one thing that everybody needs to know is that if you have a child that's been injured in an accident, the limitations for tort in Part 7 are different. If you're injured in a tort claim and you have a tort claim, you have 2 years from the date of the accident. But if you're an infant, that actually gets extended to age 21. That's not the same with the Part 7 claim. If you have a Part 7 claim and you're an infant, it's 2 years from the date of the accident or when they last paid a benefit. I know countless children and parents of children who let these claims lapse because they're not aware of that one important detail.
Good to know. And is there anything else that you'd like to add?
You know, I would say this: ICBC is an insurance company, and although it's required to look after your best interests, like any insurance company, it's often inclined to look after its own interests first.
All right, so we've only touched on the surface of the ICBC Part 7 claim. For more information, please come to our Personal Injury Resource Center at 908 West King Edward Avenue. Our phone number is 604-558-1954. We can set you up with an appointment, or we can give you more information about upcoming seminars where we go in depth about these topics and other topics. And we also have free legal advice clinics on the third Friday of every month. So if you have questions about anything else, we can certainly help you out with that.
Thank you.
Thanks, Scott.
You're welcome. Thank you.